If you want to record the screen on a Motorola Signature, what you can do is you can go to the control center or quick settings, and then in here among all of these buttons that we have available, one of them should be the screen recorder. In my case I have it over here. So let's tap on screen record. You can choose to record the whole screen or just one app of your choice. You can also choose what kind of audio you want to record, if you want to include your microphone or not. We can toggle the front camera, and we can also toggle touch points, so we can see touches on the recording if you enable this. We can start recording, we have a countdown, and there we go, now we are recording. You can of course go back to these options by using this arrow. Here we have, let's say, this pen, and it allows you to draw on the screen just like that. You can of course revert to these changes in case you need to. You can change the color as well. You can toggle the audio over here. You can decide what audio to use. You can of course toggle the camera as well. First, let me actually try to move it around. Let's see if I can do that. I believe my screen is actually a little bit too big to show you that. And we can of course pause the recording at any point and stop the recording as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.